chart of the day for July 14, Monday, GBP USD. So recently, nagkaroon tayo ng very aggressive breakdown from this support level. So kung itatrack natin yung structure niya dito sa hourly time frame, so ito yung previous lower low, ito yung lower high, so ito yung bagong lower low. So right now, nag-i-start tayo mag-retrace. So possible maghahanap lang siya ng area wherein pwede siyang mag-establish ng lower high. So ideally, ito yung tinitignan kong level kasi previous support siya. So support once broken, pwede siyang maging resistance. So potential pa lang, and we have to wait kung ano yung gagawin niya dito sa area na to. So kung magkakaroon yan ng bearish price action, possible na magkaroon tayo ng continuation downside. So yun lang guys, good luck and trade safe.